Today we're going to talk about the major differences between EZ-FLO's three hose units. The first category is type. The 2005 and 2020 HB are classified in our 2000 series of economy injectors. These achieve excellent performance with a few limitations. The 1010 HB is a premium grade injector which occupies our 1000 series class. It offers the same high-level performance and has a reinforced commercial grade construction. EZ-FLO offers three different sizes. In our 2000 series, we offer a 3/4 gallon and 2 gallon tank. In our 1000 series, we offer a 1 gallon tank. The next major difference is the hose connector attachment. The 2005 and 2020 HB have a durable PVC attachment, and the 1010 HB has a commercial grade brass connector. The 2005 and 2020 HB are made with a high density polyethylene, while the 1010 HB is made from Schedule 40 PVC, adding to its strength. The 2005 and 2020 HB have a max operating pressure of 50 psi and must be relieved of pressure after each use. The 1010 HB can operate at 80 psi and does not require depressurization. If your pressure exceeds the rating, you will need to install a pressure regulator. The EZ-FLO hose units may be installed on a garden hose for hand watering or portable sprinklers, after a timer for automatic drip irrigation systems, or on a single irrigation zone valve. When using the 2000 series injectors, you must first check your water pressure and ensure the tank will be depressurized after every use. With the 1000 series, this is not a concern thanks to its higher grade construction. Here is a graph summarizing the differences of hose units we sell. This will help you pick the right system for your application needs. For a copy of this chart, or if you have any questions, please visit our website or give us a call.